he's from the cock. Creators of chaos. COCK, right?
Go do that flip again.
What?
Let's be RJ.
You only get one. You only get one.
All his hamstrings.
Yeah, I know. I just fucked myself up fast.
Yeah.
That's the 3 days.
Are you out of breath?
I gotta recharge now.
You out of breath?
Yeah.
Tell us what that move was.
Huh?
What was that move?
Capoeira. It's known as a.
Oh my god.
Capoeira. Oh.
Notice the true way to do it is to keep your arms up, so it's all blocking. Where those guys got their arms flaring? No. It's supposed to be up here. It's for defense. Not that. Martial artistry.
You're in trouble. This is going on Facebook.
No, it's not.
Yes.
They go nowhere. Under whose name?